लोग एवरेज सैलरी कमाने के बावजूद भी अमीर बन जाते हैं और कुछ लोग लाखों कमाने के बावजूद पैसों के लिए संघर्ष करते रहते हैं। क्या इसका कारण किस्मत है, इंटेलिजेंस है या फिर कुछ और? मैं आज आपको द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ मनी की 5 ऐसी बातें बताऊंगी जो आपकी फाइनेंशियल लाइफ को पूरी तरह से बदल देगी। वेल्थ इज़ वॉट मोस्ट पीपल डोंट सी। हम अक्सर वेल्थ को एक्सपेंसिव क्लोथ्स, एक्सपेंसिव कार्स और लग्जूरियस लाइफस्टाइल से कंपेयर करते हैं, बट द ट्रुथ इज these all are spending, not wealth. Real wealth is what you don't see. Money in your bank account, investment growing quietly, an emergency fund, financial freedom. Example: suppose two people, person A and person B, both of them has a salary of 1 lakh per month. Person A spend 90,000 per month, person B spend 50,000 per month and invest the rest. After 20 years, person B may have crores in the account while person A still be living paycheck to paycheck life. Being rich is having money and being wealthy is keeping money. So don't try to look rich. Focus on becoming wealthy. Lesson 2. Time is more important than high returns. Most people ask which stock will give me 30% return, but very few ask, can I stay invested for 30 years? Compounding doesn't need extraordinary returns. Compounding needs extraordinary patience. For example, you invested 10,000 today at 12% annually. After 10 years, you will get 31,000. After 20 years, you will get 96,000. And after 30 years, you will get 3 lakhs rupees. Notice how most wealth is created in later years. This is why Warren Buffett is so rich. Not because he had a magical returns, but because he showed extra patience and started investing early. Time in the market beats timing the market. Consistency beats brilliance. Lesson number 3. Saving gives you freedom. Most people think that saving is boring. But money's greatest value is not buying things, it's buying freedom. Money gives you freedom to leave a job that you hate, freedom to survive in emergencies, freedom to spend time with family. For example, your monthly income is 50,000. If you have 30 lakhs in your account, you can survive for years without income. Money gives you that freedom. The highest form of wealth is waking up every morning and saying, I can do whatever I want today. So save not just for things, but for freedom. Lesson number 4. Nobody knows what will happen. हम सब फ्यूचर प्रिडिक्ट तो करना चाहते हैं, but the truth is nobody knows. Not the experts, not billionaires, not analysts. COVID-19 pandemic, 2008 financial crisis, and AI revolution. Nobody predicted them perfectly. That's why successful investors believe in consistency, not in predictions. Instead of asking market कब ऊपर जाएगी, start asking, can I continue investing for 30 or 20 years? Prediction is difficult, consistency is powerful. Lesson number 5. Comparison is the fastest way to lose happiness, and social media has made comparison easier than ever. हम किसी को लग्जरी कार में देखते हैं तो ये सोचते हैं कि हमारी लाइफ इतनी अच्छी क्यों नहीं है, but we only see the highlights. We don't see the loans, stress, failures and other things. Everyone has different goals and circumstances. Spending money to impress others is an endless game. When you try to impress people, you become the slave of their opinions. True happiness comes from spending money to the things that genuinely matters to you. Build a life you enjoy, not a life that impress others. At the end, I would like to tell money is less about mathematics and more about behavior. You don't need to be the smartest in the room. What you need is patience, discipline, humility, and long term thinking. Because at the end of the day, getting rich is hard and staying rich is harder. As the Morgan Housel beautifully says, doing well with money has little to do with the smart you are and a lot to do with the how you behave. Thank you. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe and comment below.